Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connectivity because resets fail on unstable power. Plug the Rover Cctv into its main PSU and confirm backup battery is at least 50% charged. Then connect a laptop via RJ45. Once done, log in with admin credentials and export the current configuration or photograph GUI settings so you can restore later. This prevents unintended loss. Make sure to disable automated monitoring alerts before proceeding to avoid false alarms. You now perform the factory reset to clear corrupt settings. Using SSH or the web GUI, navigate to the maintenance menu and select Factory Reset, type the confirmation token when prompted, then initiate. Once started, watch the console logs and LED indicators. These show why the device reboots and validate the sequence. If using SSH, capture the boot output to a log file. After the device reboots, pause, let it complete initialization cycles so services can re-register with controllers. You finish by restoring essential settings and verifying operations so the Rover Cctv is mission ready. Reapply the exported configuration or manually set network, users, camera presets, and retention policies. Make sure IPs and NTP are correct. Once done, test live streams, motion detection, and recording on all units. If any camera remains offline, power cycle the PoE switch and confirm VLAN or firewall rules. This common issue often blocks camera registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.